Ash cabbage is here.
Callie ain't ready for 4 dudes.
Oh my goodness, this thing is big, bro.
Just got on the flight, he's already thinking about food. Peter!
Can you get a video of me trying to eat my burrito on takeoff?
Don't eat without telling me, because I'm gonna be right there.
Where the jet's at?
Like they're over there. Dude, what? What is that? I thought he was on FaceTime. Blast.
We sideways right now. Going to get a Prius. Today we're picking up a Prius.
It's a California coast right here.
This is the bay. The California coast they talk about.
Does that mean that's Hawaii over there?
Sure.
Okay, the Prius is over here. Yup. Literally the best car we could have chosen.
Why is it low-key so clean?
It's kind of nice.
I'm taking the front.
Damn, we got your bag, dog. You threw it in there, the whole car show.
You can go up more.
Alright, I'm gonna check out that.
I think that's humanly as small as I'll fit.
Where's the life jacket at?
I was about to say, dude, I don't see it.
I don't think they're under the seats.
Where's the life jacket at?
What? You think we can pin this up here or something?
Most optimal driving situation. Alright.
Oh, I wanted to park outside.
That's just loud.
Wait.
Damn, the bass is actually not bad. Start digging.
Wait, like.
Must be.
Monterey ain't ready for 4 dudes in a Prius. Low-key, if we drive it fast enough, we can make it down to the boat.
Damn.
Whoa, there's a turret.
It kind of needs to be detailed. I think I know a guy. Works for Mr. Krabs, but I know a guy.
That's not
He might be able to
Ethan.
take some time off. San Diego's tough, dude.
San Diego is fucking tough. I
It's
love
so
San Diego.
fun, bro.
I drove down there last year.
Nice.
17 and a half hours.
That's
All the
cool.
boys.
That's cool.
My cousin got married down there.
That's so
It was
cool, dude.
fun,
Whoa, I can see the inside going. It looks like a butthole.
Okay. So that's the Golden Gate Bridge.
Nice. Yep. It looks good. It looks golden.
Why'd you park like this?
Where are you guys from?
We're from Oregon.
Oregon, yeah.
Portland.
Hi there. Did you use air freshener?
Are you feeling better now?
Dude, that was great.
Look for one that says Diet Coke. Why is it so?
Okay, yeah, because we were talking about it earlier. 'Cause we were like,
Ben's Unk.
he's Unk, but then we were like, what? You're Junior Unk, and Ben goes, Junk.
Start digging, twin.
We're kind of we're by all the Trans Am series, IROC series cars. There's like a big white tent.
Viper.
I wanna go over there. Okay. Home of the free shit.
Wait, free shit?
It's Who's 85. Is that the first year?
Oh, I get it.
Because it's a Wii.
Wait till you see this. Ooh, let me show you this.
Get your camera ready.
Oh, I got my camera, don't worry.
Fuck that guy. Look what I got. London Twink. Look at that dumbass. He thinks it's all rainbows and posies. Yeah.
Yes. Who else got film out here? What do I say when someone says what camera's that when they're wearing it?
Where's he going? Why is he going to the trash? You know? Wait.
Wait.
Am I being a performative male?
God
here?
damn it, get the...
Alright.
Am I...
by 9 Instagram ratios, Instagram story ratios?
No, it's a little less. Oh my god, twin. That's the age you gotta be to afford one. That's the age you gotta be to afford one. Aww. Here, let me say it again.
Let's go this way.
Oh.
Why did I hear the lifter tip more than anything else?
Where's he going?
Yeah, unfortunately. We open back up at 3:45.
I love all the brown. The brown from Dickinson. That's the TGR guy.
And the breast scales kid. Oh my god.
Dude, we're not.
What?
I mean, I wanted
He lost a little.
Yeah, he lost so much aura. He doesn't give a fuck.
Thank you very much.
Why aren't you here?
Where?
Anyway, anyways.
Can I do here?
Yo, Brez, can I get a pic?
Is this the Weish package?
Best modern Ferrari.
You think?
This is my favorite modern Ferrari.
Really?
Yeah.
Never buy this bullshit in the future. These RX bars, whatever they're.